If you're looking for the best mechanical keyboard in 2026 for gaming, work, or everyday typing, you're in the right place. Mechanical keyboards offer better durability, faster response time, and a much more satisfying typing experience compared to regular keyboards. In today's video, we'll take a look at the top 5 best mechanical keyboards in 2026 based on performance, build quality, features, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Logitech MX Mechanical Wireless. The Logitech MX Mechanical is one of the best keyboards for productivity and professional use. This keyboard features clicky mechanical switches that provide a tactile and satisfying typing experience. It also includes smart backlit keys that automatically adjust brightness based on your environment. The keyboard supports Bluetooth and USB receiver connectivity, allowing you to connect up to 3 devices simultaneously. It works with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS, making it extremely versatile. The low-profile design combined with a solid metal top plate gives it a premium and comfortable feel for long typing sessions. Pros: premium metal build quality, multi-device Bluetooth connectivity, smart adaptive backlighting, excellent for productivity and office work. Overall, the Logitech MX Mechanical is a fantastic option for professionals who want a high-end wireless mechanical keyboard for productivity. Number 2. ASUS ROG Strix Scope 2 96 Wireless. Next up is the ASUS ROG Strix Scope 2 96, a keyboard designed specifically for serious gamers. It features a 96% layout, which keeps almost all keys of a full-size keyboard while saving desk space. The keyboard supports tri-mode connectivity, including Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired. It comes with hot-swappable ROG NX Snow linear switches, meaning you can easily change switches without soldering. The pre-lubed switches and stabilizers provide smoother keystrokes and quieter operation. The keyboard also includes durable PBT keycaps and customizable RGB lighting for a premium gaming setup. Pros: tri-mode connectivity, hot-swappable switches, high-quality PBT keycaps, excellent gaming performance. If you're a gamer looking for a premium wireless mechanical keyboard, the ROG Strix Scope 2 96 is a powerful choice. Number 3. SteelSeries Apex 5 Hybrid Mechanical Keyboard. The SteelSeries Apex 5 is a unique keyboard that combines mechanical switches with membrane technology, creating a hybrid typing experience. One of its standout features is the built-in OLED smart display, which can show game information, Discord notifications, and system updates. The keyboard also features per-key RGB lighting, allowing full customization through SteelSeries software. Additionally, the aircraft-grade aluminum frame ensures excellent durability while maintaining a sleek design. Pros: OLED smart display, strong aluminum build, per-key RGB lighting, affordable compared to full mechanical keyboards. The SteelSeries Apex 5 is a great choice for users who want cool features and customization at a reasonable price. Number 4. HyperX Alloy Origins Mechanical Keyboard. The HyperX Alloy Origins is a compact mechanical keyboard built with performance and durability in mind. It features HyperX red linear switches, which are known for their fast actuation and smooth keystrokes, making them perfect for competitive gaming. The keyboard also comes with a full aluminum body, giving it a solid and durable construction. With RGB backlighting and software customization, you can create unique lighting effects and program macros easily. Its compact design also saves desk space, making it ideal for gaming setups. Pros: durable aluminum frame, smooth and fast linear switches, compact and space-saving design, great RGB customization. Overall, the HyperX Alloy Origins is an excellent choice for gamers who want reliable performance at a reasonable price. Number 5. YUNZII X98 QMK VIA Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. Finally, we have the YUNZII X98, a feature-packed keyboard designed for enthusiasts and customization lovers. It supports tri-mode connectivity, including Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and USB-C wired mode. One of its best features is QMK VIA support, which allows advanced key remapping and customization. The keyboard also includes hot-swappable switches, a gasket mount design, and pre-lubed switches, delivering a smoother and quieter typing experience. Additionally, it comes with a control knob, which can be used for volume control or other programmable functions. Pros: QMK VIA advanced customization, hot-swappable switches, gasket mount for smoother typing, tri-mode wireless connectivity. The YUNZII X98 is perfect for users who want deep customization and premium typing feel. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best mechanical keyboards in 2026. Whether you're a gamer, programmer, or someone who spends long hours typing, a good mechanical keyboard can make a huge difference in both comfort and performance. If you want to check out any of the keyboards featured in today's video, you'll find all the product links in the description below. If this video helped you choose the right keyboard, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.